Ika. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is your mom Shiroka Charing Sadie, ang he, she, it ng Thailand. So for today's video, tutulungan ko kayo paano nga ba ma-verify ang inyong AdSense account kahit walang PIN verification na na-receive sa inyong mailing address. Before natin simulan, just a heads up guys, importante kasi ma-verify ang inyong AdSense account. Otherwise, kapag hindi nyo siya na-verify within 4 months, ang mangyayari, tatanggalin lahat ng ads or walang commercial sa inyong mga videos. Nakakalungkot isipin kung gano'n na mangyayari, diba? After your hard work sa iyong channel. So, ayun na nga, without further ado guys, just a heads up, sinendan ako ng PIN verification sa mailing address namin sa Philippines. That was March. So, I was expecting na ma-receive siya by the end of the month or first week ng April, which is nandun pa sana ako sa Philippines noon, diba? But I requested my sister na nasa Philippines kung try niyang pumunta dun sa post office sa amin kasi baka doon lang or na-pending, hindi pa na-deliver ng postman. And then, when she went there sa post office, wala daw PIN verification na naka-address and they are aware also kung anong itsura ng Google AdSense or yung PIN. So, ayun, naghintay ako but alam niyo yun, naghintay ako for second request. Kasi, di ba, once na ang inyong AdSense or PIN verification ay wala pa, you can request after a month, after 4 weeks. So, I did that. Ginawa ko yun. So, it was March, April, wala pa din. Until May, naka-third attempt na ako. May, wala. So, nandoon naman, may options naman guys in the event na hindi nyo na-receive or ma-receive yung PIN verification sa inyong mailing address after 3 attempts or 3 try, pwede nyo siya gawin yung manual na pag-verify. So, ito yung way ko kasi worried ako guys I started living and working here dito sa Thailand 2 years ago. So, wala na akong valid ID na naka-address sa Philippines. Okay? But we'll discuss it later. So, yun na. To make the story short, wala akong na-receive na PIN verification sa amin sa Valenzuela. Nagtanong ako sa mga friends ko dito sa YouTube world or outside, yung may mga vlog spot na may ads din sila, which is partner din kay AdSense, Google AdSense. Sabi ko, paano nga ba i-verify yun? Kasi worried ako, meron na siyang naka-pop up na message dun sa AdSense account ko na you have less than 1 month to verify your PIN, otherwise your ad units will stop displaying ads. So, sayang naman, diba, after your hard work sa channel mo and nakakalungkot isipin kung ma-disable yung mga ads. For example, wala ka pa talaga nare-receive. Huwag mo nang hintayin na maging 1 month. Magsaktong 1 month na i-verify yung account mo. Kasi, baka mamaya mawala na, magulantang ka na lang, sayang, diba? Wala ka ng ads. Ginawa ko noon, nag-login ako, and then, doon sa web or homepage ng inyong Google AdSense, makikita nyo dyan yung enter your PIN. To verify your address, please enter your PIN as provided in the card sent to you by Google. Which is, sa case ko, ay hindi ko na-receive, okay? But, you don't have to worry guys because doon sa may babang parte ng Google AdSense or homepage ng inyong Google AdSense account, meron doong portion which I will show you here. If you don't receive your PIN within 4 weeks of this date, please complete this form and attach a digital image of a government-issued ID card, bank statement, or telephone bill displaying your payee name and mailing address as it appears in your account. Please note that we're only able to accept information in one of our supported languages. Once we receive your email, we'll respond within 2 to 3 days regarding your PIN verification status. So, ito na. So, hindi ko na siya naman yan. Hindi ko mamalayan. Disabled na pala ang aking AdSense or yung mga ads sa videos. So, clinic ko yon. I-click nyo lang yun guys, yung this form. Okay. And then, magpa-pop up dyan itong tab na to. So, Help Center. Personal information number. So, may nakalagay dyan, please note that we are unable to verify your PIN manually until 30 days have passed since we've issued your third mail PIN. We ask that you kindly only contact us in relation to your PIN after this period for a quicker resolution. So, ito na yung last resort natin or last option how you will verify your AdSense account kung wala talagang ma-receive or na-receive sa inyo sa bahay sa mailing address nyo. So, in my case, applicable to and I highly suggest this. Okay, so what you have to do, just fill up this information or this form with your information like your name, your complete name should match doon sa ID and the statement na ipapasa mo sa kanila. Kasi after this, may portion dito na kailangan mong i-upload yung mga requirements or supporting documents. So here, first you have to encode or input your complete name, of course, yung pangalan mo, your contact address, contact email address, and your AdSense Publisher ID. Guys, yung AdSense Publisher ID ay makikita nyo doon sa homepage ng inyong Google AdSense account, okay? But let me show you that one for you guys. Hang on. So, ito yung inyong Publisher ID. Ayan, just copy that one, guys, and then paste here. Okay, so when filling out the form below, make sure to attach a proof of identity in order to confirm the validity of the postal address sent in your account. So, ito na nga yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na kailangan nyo mag-upload ng supporting documents or government-issued ID na, or bank statement, billing statement, ano din yung pangalan nyo. I've been here in Thailand for 2.5 years. So, nag-expired na yung postal ID ko nung nasa Philippines pa ako. Which is, hindi ko rin naman magagamit kung ilalagay ko dito kasi kailangan valid government-issued ID, diba? So, ang meron na lang ako ay passport. Medyo worried ako dun sa passport because wala naman doon yung exact address ko eh. Home address, yung house number and street. Ang nakalagay lang doon ay city kung saan ako nakatira. But, I think acceptable pa din yon. Second is my PRC license or your Professional Regulation Commission's license. Yung teacher license ko sa Philippines. Which is worried din ako kasi wala namang address na nakalagay doon. Birth date ko lang. And then, license information, license number. So, third item or third document na meron lang ako ay ang tatlo pala, yun. Billing statement from BPI Bank, which is may discrepancy. Ang address ko doon ay hindi exact doon sa address ko sa Valenzuela. And fourth document ko na meron ako ay yung invoiced and monthly billing statement from my insurance, from Sun Life Insurance Philippines. So, yun yung huling alas ko talaga. But what I did, ni-ready ko lahat, in-upload ko yung passport, PRC license, bank statement, and insurance billing statement, yung monthly statement ko. Okay? So, pag na-picture mo na siya guys, ang ina-accept lang kasi dito ay JPEG file. So, picturean nyo lang siya and let's continue. Okay? Kung paano nyo siya i-upload. So, once na na-fill upan nyo na yung form, yung name, publisher ID, and contact email address, click nyo lang to yung choose file. Dito nyo ngayon upload yung mga documents mo or supporting documents. Just ito. Ayan. Okay. There we go. Na-touch ko na siya dyan. And then, click nyo lang yung submit button, guys. Okay? So, Kapag nasubmit nyo na siya, ang mangyayari ay ganyan. The form has been submitted to AdSense support. We'll try to get back to you within 24 hours if your query is about your own account and requires an action from our side. However, depending on the volume of the messages that we receive, it may take up to 48 hours or longer for us to reply. Thank you for your patience. In the meantime, please visit the official AdSense forum to see if one of our fellow publisher has the answer to your questions. So, anong nangyari guys? Sinubmit ko yung mga papers ko ng June 13 and after a couple of minutes, fortunately, may na-receive akong email from Google AdSense na it has been verified. So, ayun na. I'm very happy kasi na-confirm ko na or na-verify ko na yung AdSense account ko and wala na akong dapat pang ipapangamba na anytime ay mawawalan ng ads yung mga videos ko. Okay? So, that's it for now, guys. I hope may nakatulong ako sa inyo kung paano nyo bang i-verify ang inyong AdSense account kung wala talaga kayo na-receive na PIN code or verification to your mailing address. Just comment down below, guys, if you have any questions. And please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Swatika. Bye!